Owie. I don't even know what day we're on. 12, 13, something like that. Let's try these hinge cuffs double locked. I'm gonna say try because one side fairly easy. The other wants to be a bastard. We'll start with the bastard first. See if I've finally tamed him. Maybe. Yee. Go the right way. That's not the right way. See what I mean? One side just wants to be a bastard. Well, I got the double lock. Get the double lock over here. See, that side wants to go up, right? And this side just doesn't. Guess that's what I get for buying cheap. I don't even know what brand these are. Martial arts brand or something? I don't know. Doesn't even say on here. You better kidding me. I wonder if I can shim out of this. Since it's really being a bastard. Oh, you're for real. You are for real. You know what? Fuck you. I picked the other side.